Welcome to the video tutorial on fix and transform function in R. This is extremely important for working with a large matrix. So I have written down one of the code in R tutorial folder that I've been doing all the time. So let's open the script, fix and transform. Let's make the window better and clean the console. So I have a discharge series of 6 different stations. Let's bring this in the data frame. Now if we call discharge, so it looks like this. It's a river discharge of April 2010 of 6 different points. So now we can fix it to see how does it looks, and here the important thing is that we can change the values. Let's say post PDS, the last point we change the discharge as a 100. Now if we recall it, we can see that the new values are coming with the changed values. See, it's PDS is 100. So now the same thing we can do with when we go for a whole column. So argument is the dataset name and the new algorithm that we new calculations that we want to do. Let's say we make a new column with 0.5 calculating half of the discharge of PDS. So it would be something like that, a new column. So the discharge was 100 meter cube per second. Now the new column, it is coming as a 50 meter cube per second, and the same thing is happening in the whole column. So it can be, this is for the 30 by 6 matrix, but it can be millions of row with thousands of column, whatever. So another important is the transform function. In the transform function, we can use as many algorithm as we want, as many argument that we want to put. So the fixed stuff is that the dataset name has to be like discharge, the frame name, and then we can change some of the, let's say 0.125, and the last value we can make another new column with changing 2.5 values, multiplying with 2.5 with the rake engine, and run it. So we can see that the new column appears with the name, with the header name last. So you can see that the now PDS value is reduced to 12 because we multiplied with something like 1.2.125, and the last column also came with 2.5 times higher, and rake engine another column. So this is something extremely important when you go for a large matrix. Thanks very much for watching, and if you have any question, please do not hesitate to drop me a mail.